Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman. I'm back again with another product, and it's this guy right here in this box. Let me go ahead and set this out of the way right quick-like. And it is this guy right here in this box. This box right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into it. It is a, as you clicked and know, that this is a UV bonding and welding glue kit. Oh, okay. So what I like is this is a piece of sandpaper glued to some foam, so you can file off some excess material. Looks like for external use only. This is some alcohol pads saturated with 75% ethanol alcohol. You have the company's scope of use with bonding and well, it walks you right through how to use it. That's pretty nice. Before using, try bonding surface must be dusted. Before using, the bonding surface must be dusted. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff in it. Cool. Okay, so what do we have here? We have the bonding agent, and there is a label on it, the UV super bonding glue. That's nice. And I'm guessing this guy here is the flashlight. The UV flashlight. That is it. And it comes with a little cage that will hold 3 AAA batteries. I need some AAA batteries, which this does not come with, and it does state that it does not come with the AAA batteries. This is the kit. So we have nothing better to do but go find something broken and bond it together with the glue and with the light. All right, let's go do it. Yo, hey guys, so we're gonna go ahead and test this guy, right? We already unboxed it, we walked through it, and got our sandpaper and our rough pad, and we've got a couple situations that I think that this might be totally perfect for. And what we're gonna do is, we have this guy, right? UV light, you wanna put it on the bottle. But what we're gonna do, and I'm going to do this just to help protect the bottle here, is, let me show you here. I've got this nice little refrigerator magnet thing that we ended up getting, and it's kind of sentimental to my wife, and I want to make sure that we can put this back on and keep it glued. So what we're supposed to be able to do is put this over here. Actually, let me do this right. Should probably shake it up. We're gonna put a couple drops here. We're gonna squish this bad boy on, and she doesn't quite hold yet, but let's see what happens when I do this. I think I want to help make sure that I can bond this in and keep it there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it this appearance, and then we're just gonna go ahead and UV light it. And I think I can actually see it solidifying. Let's test this real quick, like. Give a pop of a little pen. Oh, that's solid. Wow, that's solid. It's in there. And a good test. Yeah, it's staying stuck. Wow, that's pretty cool. All right. Okay, we're not done here. I've got a second item, and unfortunately, it's one of these USB-C style cables. It's one of the older ones that when you use A to C, and I've bent this to death, and it's just very weak. So I think what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to use this as a protective cover. Is I'm going to try and see if I can, I'm going to try and give it some strength back. So by doing that, what I want to do is I want to put some of this in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some glue in there. We're going to build that up real quick. And just take a little bit of time with the UV light to get it in there to help strengthen this cable up. Just want to keep dosing it a little bit without getting too much on there. It's pretty nice with the UV light. Really speeds up the gluing process. I mean, it's dry. And now it's pretty much, it's locked in, and it's holding its form. Yeah, and it bends at the corner now, not at this piece anymore. It bends. It flexes where it's supposed to. It's not bending at that spot anymore. That's really cool. For good measure, put my magnet I just fixed that is solidly locked in. I mean, that's pretty cool. All right, I hope this was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time. And I'm out.